Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. This is me, your teacher, Ms. Jazeba Khurram from the Smart School Sir Syed Ahmed Khan campuses and Gulistani Johar campus. This is your grade 5 social studies recorded lecture in which we are about to start off our new chapter, Early Civilizations of the World, Indus Valley. As you all know that we have already discussed our previous civilizations, now it's time for another civilizations to be started. We have already discussed the civilization of Mesopotamia and the Egypt civilizations. Now it's time for our region's civilization, which is Indus Valley civilization. Let's move forward and learn about this civilization more. For that, you all need to open your book, page number 36, chapter number 6, Early Civilizations of the World, Indus Valley. Starting off our class with the keywords, the first keyword that you will read in this chapter, and these are kind of difficult words, so it will be better off to start off with these keywords. First keyword is seal. Seal means stamp. Kiln means oven. Decipher, it means to find the meaning of some code. Granary, a storehouse for grain where they used to keep things all together. For nowadays we have grocery stores and all that thing, but before people used to have a granary so that they can keep their grains over there. Drainage, it is a system of water or waste liquids flowing away from somewhere into the ground. Egalitarian, a system that all people are equal and deserve equal rights and opportunities. By the way, let me tell you that about what all of our archaeologists and what we have studied up till now about Indus Valley civilization, it is mostly found that these people were actually really not into war kind of a persons. Like in previous civilizations there were Egyptian civilization, Mesopotamian, they used somehow they were involved in the wars, waged wars kind of things. But now this valley, in this valley civilization, they were like kind of a very peaceful people. So the Indus Valley civilizations was one of the world's first great urban civilizations. It means that urban means here that the cities and towns were made very properly. All of the world, I will show the picture in which they have made each and everything properly. Means their cities, their towns, their drainage system is the most famous of all. According to that time, they made such great drainage system that people after when they studied, the archaeologists when went there, they were like, wow. They were just amazed by how they have made all of these towns properly. It flourished all in the vast river Indus plains and adjacent areas. Means you can see that the river Indus is flowing all the way through, and Mohenjo-daro, Harappa is like near to it. So this is all of the Indus Valley civilization, all the way from the starting point of the river Indus to the end of the river Indus is what we are now called the parts of Afghanistan, Pakistan and northwestern India. Not only that the South Asia is one of the most for early places where human civilizations actually began. Similar to the Egyptian civilization, Chinese, Mesopotamian civilizations. The land of the Asian South Asia is dominated actually by the mountains, rivers, and plains. So similarly, we will get to know about more of it in this Indus Valley civilizations as well. Indus Valley civilization was actually a very ancient civilization that thrived along the long course of Indus. That's what I said, that जब हमारा Indus River is flowing all the way from the northwest part of the Indian subcontinent before partition, Indian Pakistan was just one part, right? It was known as the subcontinent. ये subcontinent कहलाता था. So this is what they are saying, that it was a part all the way from the northwest part which उसको सब लोग पहले सब कॉन्टिनेंट ही बोला जाता था. एंड इट वॉज ऑल्सो द पीरियड ऑफ द ब्रॉन्ज एज. यू नो, इफ यू हैव स्टडीड बिफोर यू मस्ट हैव नोन दैट ब्रॉन्ज एज वॉज काइंड ऑफ अ वेरी एडवांस बिफोर इट वॉज द स्टोन एज. स्टोन एज के बाद जो थी वो ब्रॉन्ज एज आई थी. एंड ब्रॉन्ज एज वॉज द मोस्ट एडवांस काइंड ऑफ एज इन विच दे introduced the weapons, they introduced the copper, tins, and made the things out of it. It was, according to that time period, it was one of the advanced kind of age. And it also known and referred as the Harappan civilization. Why? Because it was a civilization first discovered. It was the first city to be discovered, and the Harappan situated is actually in the Punjab province. And Punjab means the current of Pakistan. It is actually in the our Pakistan. More people said that 50 to 16 million years ago, the land of the Indo-Pak subcontinent was smashed into the continent of Asia, forming the Himalayas, Hindu Kush mountains. ये जितनी भी mountains थी, they were the natural barrier and block of the subcontinent. क्यों पूरे एशिया से इसको जो था, ये they used to block that part of Asia. एंड इसको हम रेंज ही इस तरह से कर सकते थे. मीन्स इफ यू वांटेड टू गो, इफ यू वांटेड टू हैव टू द एक्सेस टू द कोस्ट लाइन, वी हैव टू पास द माउंटेन रेंजेस. बहुत ज़्यादा माउंटेन को पास करना पड़ता था. यू कैन सी ओवर हियर इन द पिक्चर्स एज वेल ओवर हियर दैट वी हैव टू गो थ्रू एंड क्रॉस ऑल ऑफ द माउंटेन्स जस्ट टू गेट टू द कोस्ट लाइन्स ऑफ दीज थिंग्स एज वेल. जोग्राफिकल एक्सटेंट आप इसको देख सकते हो दैट द इंडस वैली जो था, इट वाज रियली लार्ज एरिया, इज नाउ टुडे द पार्ट ऑफ नॉर्थ वेस्टर्न इंडिया एंड पाकिस्तान. Means half of its part is in, it was so vast that half of the part was in the kind of India western part, and northwestern India and Pakistan के major part it was involved. And it almost covered major part of Pakistan, और इंडिया का थोड़ा बहुत पार्ट इन्होंने लिया हुआ था. एंड वाटर इन द रिवर इंडस जो था, इसका जो मेनली जो आता था वो ऑल द वे इट केम फ्रॉम द ग्लेशियर जो मेल्ट होकर आती थी हमारे पास. एंड it surrounds a mountain around it. Water जितना भी था, it runs down to the mountains. It pick up the fertile soil, and this area could flood at least once a year and provide irrigation water for farmers as well. Means they have made all of the things really well, and they were always the perfectly structured city that they didn't face any kind of problems in that civilization as well. Now, important cities and sites which mainly were discussed in this Indus Valley civilization is that the archaeologists have so far came across more than 10,000, 1,000 sites belonging to the civilization. They have seen like 1,000 sites belonging to this. बहुत सारी ऐसी जगह उन्होंने देखी जो they thought that ये Indus Valley civilization का भी एक part हो सकता है, जिसमें से 6 were regarded as the Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Chanhudaro, Lothal, and Kalibangan and Banwali. These are the major 6 cities that people must have remembered. And the largest site of Indus Valley civilization is Mohenjo-daro, जिसकी we have seen so many pictures of it as well. That Mohenjo-daro was so well constructed, well developed, all of its drainage system, the proper bathroom system. There they used to have a very big great bath as well over there, where they used to have where they believe that they used to have kind of religious ceremonies over there. And not only that, the farmers also they were not farmers also used to work over there. Means you can see over here in the picture as well that this is the Harappan town. And you can see the culture all over the thing. Means the towns and cities, roads, all of these things are perfectly balanced, perfectly made. All of the bricks and the drainage system of is very impressive. Again, I'm saying that burn bricks of the uniform size, all of the things that you see in this picture is very well constructed. Means according to our modern day, we have constructed cities like this as well. तो उस ज़माने के हिसाब से they have planned their cities really pretty much impressive. Now, how do they used to farming? Do the farming means they used to indicate the farming in the South Asia में जो थी There was around like 500 BC के around they used to develop that thing. And उन्होंने जितने भी उनकी places थी, they all used to have the villages जिनको उन्होंने cities में turn कर दिया अपनी civilization को और ज़्यादा ये they used to make it advanced and advanced. जब भी इसको Indus Valley civilization and Harappan civilization भी कहा जाता है. Not only that, first farmers जो थे वो river के पास रहते थे. Means you can see this picture as well, that this is the Indus Valley civilization all the way going from Himalayas till the end of our Sindh. Um, it also includes the part of the Hindu Kush and the Himalayas. Everywhere it was spread it. It was really much spread it all over the part of it. Means the farmers lived together in the villages. They used to grow over time. उन्होंने ancient cities बनाई जैसे हड़प्पा बनाया, मोहिंजोदड़ो बनाया. And not only that, Indus people जो थे, they need the river water. उनको पीना के लिए चाहिए होता था. They used to wash, they used to irrigate their fields from the river Indus water. And वो they also used to use that water in their religious ceremonies as well. Means जो Indus people हैं उनके लिए जो river था वो the king river था. Means वो Indus river को जो थे वो king river के name से भी refer क्या करते थे, because they used to have religious ceremonies through that river water as well. ये भी कहा जाता है हड़प्पन सिविलाइजेशन जो थी वो बहुत ज़्यादा एंशियंट थी एंड बहुत ज़्यादा पहले पाई जाने वाली थी. एंड जो मोहिंजोदड़ो थी, इट वाज द वन ऑफ द फर्स्ट cities over there. And by this our lecture is about to end, and we will inshallah discuss further more about the civilization, because we have discussed the civilizations of other countries. Now this civilization is related to our country, and some of them you can see, you can still visit Mohenjo-daro and Harappan civilizations in Pakistan as well. It's really beautiful. It's really full of the historical sites used to visit, and we should visit. And it's really good for us as well. It increases our knowledge. I hope you all enjoyed this video today, and inshallah we will connect through all of the live sessions, physical classes, and our recorded videos as well. Till then, you all take care of yourself. I'm signing off. Allah.